today we are gonna do an unboxing of this pretty cool little thing I saw on AliExpress. It's not a mountain bike part, but it's a boat part. Um, when I'm not mountain biking, I like to go fishing and mess around with boats. So this thing I saw on AliExpress seemed pretty cool. It's uh, it's actually Apple CarPlay radio that fits a 3-inch opening, I believe, and it's supposedly waterproof. So we're gonna open this thing up and take a look at it. I ordered this on AliExpress probably 10 days ago. It took 10 days to get here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's get it open. See what it looks like. All right. Let's see. Let's see. First time I'm doing this right here, guys. It says 8-inch marine multimedia IP6 waterproof boat media MP3 player, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto for ATVs, cars, boats, and other moto. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, here. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright. Oh, it looks pretty good. Let's see if we get it out of the box. Here. Let's see if we get it out. Alright. Let's see what we got in the box. We have some cords. Let's see what this is. Okay. This looks like, so this looks like a microphone. So when you're talking on the phone, yeah, it has some sticky on the back. You could plug this in, I assume, into the radio. And then we have a main power cord. It looks like your typical speaker, remote, power, memory stuff going on here. Looks pretty nice. This thing looks pretty good. Let's see. That's foam. Alright, let's see. Ooh, it's nice. Wow. Okay. Alright, look at this thing. I haven't seen any reviews of this on YouTube or anywhere on the internet, so I think this is going to be the first time this has been seen. Excuse me. Oh wow, this is nice. So it has a USB remote. It has video out. I don't know what that says. I can't read that. Antenna. RCA out. Camera in. Mic in. Let's see what else is there. Video out. I wonder if there's a video in. I guess you could use the camera in and you could probably play something off your phone into it. This looks pretty nice. Let's see. This looks pretty well sealed in here. This is like an aluminum housing here. Okay. Yeah, this thing is pretty nice. It has some heft to it. I could definitely see it's sealed. I don't know how well this is sealed, but it says it's IP6. I'm not sure what that means, but it is sealed along the edge. So this would fit I guess a 3.5-inch hole. I have a a flow scan on my boat that I'm gonna take out and mount this in its place. So that's gonna be perfect. So here you go. See what it looks like from the front. Okay, I like it. All right, so this is probably the top then. Yeah, it looks good. It's flush mountable. Cool. Then we're gonna power it up and see how it works. So this is I guess this is a little stud you can screw in so you can mount it to the panel. And it does have a sealing gasket here. Probably put a little silicone around this base, or even cut a piece of like a foam gasket to make that seal. But yeah, this would be sweet. Is there any instructions? Probably not. Oh wait, there's an instruction in the box. User manual. Okay. It doesn't look too bad from China. It's probably pretty self-explanatory once you turn this thing on. Okay. Just tells you how to use it, and a little wiring diagram right there to hook it up. And the installation guide right here telling you how to install it. It's an 80 millimeter hole, so I think, what size is that? 80 millimeters. Let's see. 80 times 0.3937. Oh, it's like 3 3/16 about. Okay, so I guess if you cut a hole a little bit bigger than 3, you'd probably be okay. Okay, cool. Let's put some power to this, and let's see how it turns on. Okay. Okay, let's we strip these wires. We're gonna do the red and yellow. We're just gonna stick that together. I have this little 12 volt LiPo battery that I used to test things out with. So we'll put this on there like this, and we'll just stick this in there. Okay. Okay, and then we'll just do the black and see if this thing turns on. I don't see why it shouldn't. Okay. Let's just plug this in. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice plug. I could feel like it has some kind of rubber seal in there, and you could actually see it has some seals on the end of the wire, so it's not like a plug that's gonna be getting salt water or moisture in. Oh, okay, cool. It's on. Let's see. So, all right. See, it's on. Let's see if it turns off. Okay, that's off now. Okay. Okay, and that comes on. Right. Okay. So it seems to be it's a plug-in Apple CarPlay. And let's see, does it have all your stuff? Yeah. This is pretty cool. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. Too bad CarPlay doesn't have how do I get that back? Oh, there you go. Too bad CarPlay doesn't have like Navionics or the Garmin Marine app. Then you could probably just see your whole chart right here. But I guess if they did that, they probably wouldn't sell too many chart plotters. Someone might just use one of these as a chart plotter. But it looks pretty cool. Let's see, maps. Let's see. Yeah, that's cool. So all your CarPlay stuff. I thought it was actually a wireless CarPlay, but I plugged it in to a cable here to that USB, and it seems to be connecting that way, which I don't really mind it connecting that way. Um, Seems to be a little quicker most of the times when it's connected that way, but probably in a boat, and you probably want to connect it solid. Let's see what home does. Okay, so home does their. Okay, so if you push that phone link, I wonder why this thing keeps flashing green and purple, different color. Let's see. Maybe that's on. Let's go to settings. Uh, it says basic setups. Okay, color. Oh, purple. Oh, okay. So you could just leave it on certain colors. That was just on a loop. That's neat. I like it. Let's leave it on probably purple, red. Let's do red. Red's pretty cool on the boat when it's dark. Color lamp interval, touch calibration, weather. Okay. Tuner region. Oh, tuner region. This is China, America 1, America 2. I'm just gonna go for America 1. Okay, wheel. I guess you could do steering wheel functions on this thing. Sound. Oh, cool. Has a little EQ here. Couple presets. Jazz, classic, rock, pop. Oh, soft. Loud. What's this? Okay. That's like balance and fade. Okay. What's this one? Oh, I don't know what that does. Let's see. Display setting. Cool. Brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. I wonder you could put your own wallpaper in here. I'm not sure. I'll leave it like that. System. Language. Let's do English. Clock. What time? I think should be. Yeah, it seems to be pretty responsive, even though it has a piece of plastic on it still. Oh. Yeah, okay, so you hit that home button, it goes to CarPlay. Okay, that's pretty cool. What's this logo do? Oh, you could pick your car logo. They don't have my Hydrasport logo in here, but set up. Okay, we did that already. Bluetooth music. I would connect this speaker, but probably have some kind of copyright problems if I start playing music on this, so we'll just leave it as is. Phone link. Alright. USB EQ. Auxiliary. Okay. So I guess if you want to run like another camera on the boat, or maybe you could input some kind of audio video in with like a HDMI adapter or something from the phone in, you could probably do that too. I actually have one of those in my truck that goes from this lightning into a converter that goes into component video and then into the radio, and I could kind of watch everything I want off the phone. Maybe we'll do that to this thing here. Yeah, I like it. Too bad we can't play music right now, but we got Onyx Off-Road, which seems kind of okay. Like if you had like a ATV or like a buggy or something, that'd be pretty cool to have on the dash. Okay. All in all, I like the unit. It doesn't feel cheap. It has a nice heft to it. It's plastic on the back though, but I mean, plastic doesn't rust. But we'll see how it works on the boat. I have to make a new dash panel and move a gauge around, but I think it'll be pretty cool looking on the dash. Yeah, I like this thing. Let's get this in the boat and connect some speakers up to it and see how it sounds. Hopefully I can get it mounted soon, but I'm kind of busy right now. But so getting that video out might take a little time because I do have to make a new panel and move some stuff out of the electronic box and put it on the dash. But um, excited to get this thing in. I've seen a couple of these units. They all look the same uh, on Amazon and eBay, and they're all about 200 bucks. But I got this one on AliExpress for 120, and as far as I can tell, they're all the same unit, just a different pricing. Okay, so yeah, it's a nice unit. Can't wait to get it hooked up. Plug's nice. Has a nice watertight seal and subwoofer out. Camera in. My boat's not big enough to have a camera in the back. I could just turn around and look. But if I had a big enough boat, you could run a camera back there. Yeah. So I guess it does need to have a plug, a USB. It's not a wireless CarPlay, which I think it did say it was wireless, but I'm not upset about it. When you're on the boat, you don't really get in and out of the boat every couple minutes like you're running errands in the car, so it's not too bad. But I'll probably put like a USB a dash outlet. I've got some of these flush mount dash outlets that plug in here, and then you could just have like a nice a little outlet on your dash instead of having this thing dangling around. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I can't wait to get it in. So hopefully in a few weeks we can have another video out and show you guys how this thing works. See you guys later.